friends, if you are new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. Today I will be showing you how to make this quick, easy, and delicious palabok and all of its toppings. Start my palabok, I will turn a large pot full of water onto medium heat, and I will also turn on a large skillet to medium heat, and I will put some oil in it and bring this up to temperature. Now that my skillet is hot, I am going to add my garlic and my shallots, and I'm going to saute these for about 2 minutes. Now that my shallots and garlic has been sauteing for about 3 minutes, I'm going to add my pork that has been cut very, very small cubes. And I'm going to cook this for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that my noodle water is boiling, I'm going to drop my noodles into my pot. Then I'm going to push the noodles down into the water. I'm going to bring this back up to a boil and boil for 6 minutes. My pork has been cooking for about 7 minutes. I'm going to add my anatta powder into my I'm going to mix this well. Now that I have mixed my anatta powder up well, I'm going to add my fish sauce and my cooking wine into the skillet. And I'm going to mix this well. The cooking wine and fish sauce has been mixed well. I'm going to add my 3 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to mix this well, bring this to a boil, and let it boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now that my noodles have been boiling for 7 minutes, I'm going to take them off the stove, drain them, and rinse them with cool water. Now that my palabok has been simmering for about 5 minutes, I am going to add my 1 tablespoon of cornstarch into my water. I am going to mix this slurry well. Now I'm going to pour it into my palabok, and I'm going to mix this, and I'm going to let this simmer for a couple minutes until my sauce thickens. Now that my noodles are done and my sauce has thickened, it is time to plate. Toppings for my palabok is shrimp, lime wedges, chopped green onions, sliced boiled eggs, and crushed pork rinds. If you want to experience a different noodle recipe, you should give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and comment down below what you want to see me cook next. Thank you.